Everyone, it's Amanda from Wildwood School. I'm one of the teachers in the high school, and I thought it would be fun to do a science experiment with you today. Here's my classroom for the past week with my students who are going to do this science experiment with us today. There's going to be a link that has the science lab. If you want to do this, you can either print it out and point or circle to your answers, or you can just use it right on the screen. Right before we started, we watched the brain pop on the coronavirus, and that's free. You can just log right onto brain pop and it comes right up and you can watch that video. So after watching that, one of the most important factors was good hand washing skills. So this science experiment called Magic Pepper is going to show the importance of soap when washing our hands. So we talked about germs and what we know about washing hands, and everyone agreed that germs are spread, and they're spread with poor hygiene skills. We're either using our hand to cover our mouth, we're touching surfaces, and not washing our hands well. So the lab goes through the scientific method. So step one of the scientific method, Jacqueline, is?
Ask a question.
Ask a question. So our question is, how can I keep my hands clean so I stay healthy? And step two of the scientific method is, Jordan?
Make a hypothesis.
Make a hypothesis. So you're going to make a choice. You're going to think, and any answer is correct because you're just making a guess. Will water keep my hands clean, or will soap and water keep my hands clean? So from Johnny's nodding, he does not think just water will keep his hands clean. So step three is to gather our materials. Very simple, very easy. You can get them right in your kitchen. Have your child help you. All you need is water, liquid dish soap, pepper, and 2 bowls. So I'm going to pass out the bowls.
3. Yeah, actually 3 bowls.
Yes. Okay, and then I'm going to pass around the water, and everyone can pour a little water into their bowl. And then I'm going to pass around the pepper, and everyone's just going to sprinkle pepper on top of the bowl. The pepper represents the germ. Peppers are the germs. You want to get enough in there so you can see it. And the more pepper in there, the cooler it's going to look. So sprinkle a lot of pepper on the top. Nice, Jacqueline. All right, Johnny, you sprinkle the pepper all over the top.
All over.
And while they're doing that, I'm going to pour some of this dish soap. I think this is a fun way to do it. Excellent, Johnny. I'm putting the dish soap into the bowl. Now, if your child has some sensory needs, they could take a toothpick and take the toothpick and put it into the soap, or you can just drop the soap right into the middle of the bowl, or you can actually take a bar of soap and dip that into the middle. So there's lots of different ways. I think this way is pretty cool. So everyone's just going to stick their finger into the soap, and after that, you're going to take your finger and you're going to put it into the middle of the dish. Now, Ellie, if you can show on the camera Johnny doing this so we can get the effect of what it looks like. So Johnny, stick your finger right in the soap, get it nice, a lot of soap in there. Now take it out, and you're going to put it right into the middle of your, put it right in there. Look what happened. What did the pepper do?
It's moved away.
The pepper moved away. It moved to the edge of the bowl. The pepper, the germs did not like the soap. So when you wash your hands, you put the soap on your hands and the germs go away. It does not like the soap. So we have completed our experiment, and on the worksheets it has all of the steps here, and you can check off when you complete each step. Now, there's questions of finding the conclusion. So the pepper, let's review, represented the germs. What happened to the pepper or the germs when you put the soap into the water? Did it attract or repel?
Repel.
It repelled. Now you can circle all of the different things that you used in the lab. And most importantly, is it important to use soap when you wash your hands?
Yes.
Yes. Did everyone like the experiment?
No.
Yes.
No.
So this is our experiment on hand washing. And remember, either 20 seconds or you can sing happy birthday. Either way. So bye for now. I'll be back with another science experiment.